Hi everyone, how y'all doing? I hope y'all are doing great. This is Praveen from Team Debru, and in today's video we are going to do a real push campaign analysis. Before we dive into today's video, if you're interested in joining the fastest growing affiliate marketing community, you can do so by joining the AFK forum powered by Team Debru for free by clicking the link in the description of this video. It's free, guys, so what are you waiting for? Join us today. Welcome to today's video where we are going to show you a real push campaign analysis. For this particular video, we are going to do an analysis of this particular campaign. I already pick up this campaign from my volume tracker. So it's a campaign from Big Bang Ads for Germany, for the Geo Germany, and then it's an iPhone offer. So why actually this campaign analysis is very important is because this is the part that you are actually going to read your data, and we're going to do real campaign analysis where we are actually gonna show you real data from real campaign that previously has been run by Team Debru. So I'm going to show you how you can actually analyze the data that you collected from your campaign. This is very important in order for you to optimize this campaign, in order for you to learn. But you just setting up a campaign in Propeller Ads and just let it run and then do nothing about it, nothing is going to happen. You're not going to make money. Maybe you're going to make a little bit money, but definitely you're not going to make a lot of money. But to make a lot of money with push traffic, you must know how to you must know how to analyze the data, and then from the data you must know how to optimize. So you must know which one is performing better, which angle is better than this, which zone ID is better, stuff like that, which I'm going to show to you in today's video. So first we're gonna take a look at volume. So we're going to dive deep into volume, and we're going to also say that why volume is very important for you in order for you to run an ad in Propeller Ads, which you cannot actually get in Propeller Ads tracker itself. And then we're going to go to Propeller Ads after that, and then we're going to go into Propeller Ads and see these stats over there as well. So without wasting time, let's go into today's video. As you can see, this is the campaign that we are running. So we are going to analyze today. It's a Big Bang Ads campaign, a Geo Germany. It's an iPhone offer. So as you can see over here, let me just explain to you. As you can see over here, this particular campaign actually has I've set the date, as you can see, from September 1st to September 6th. This is where actually the campaign was running. So as you can see, the campaign has actually 1,200 visits, and this button over here, the suspicious visit, is because some of the visits that you have might not be a genuine visit. It might be a crawler, it might be a bot, so it is not a visit that actually bringing you traffic. So volume can actually volume have this kind of detection where they can actually detect which is that kind of robot, how many percent is that kind of bot, how many percent is the crawlers, and how many percent are genuine traffic. So total all you will have around, after you minus all your suspicious visit, you have actually a genuine visit. Oops, I clicked something. No. So you have a genuine visit of somewhere around 1,192. So this particular offer did not have let me just go ahead and check it out again. So just give me 1 minute, guys. Oops. All right, let me just apply this. I'm going to show you the campaign itself. I'll show you how to pick up the campaign, guys. So the campaign that we want to pick up is, we're going to pick up that particular campaign, right? I'll show you. Just go to campaign over here, then just go and set up the dates that you want to pick up, and you can actually find the campaign over there. So this is the campaign that we wanted to do. So we are picking up this particular campaign. So we're gonna report this campaign. So this is how I got to this screen. If you don't know how I can actually get that, so as I was saying, this campaign has 0 clicks. This campaign did not have any conversion or revenue at all, but this campaign cost somewhere around $25. It's not been updated fully. with the team, and definitely we didn't had any ROI. So why, even though why I told you the volume tracker is very important is because even though we didn't make any any profit with this particular offer, it's all about testing. Is when it comes to CPA, let it be push traffic, let it be social PPC, everything is about testing. Maybe you did not get this campaign properly, but then you can actually go and optimize the campaign by offsetting some ad sets. That's how you do in social PPC, and that's it works almost in a similar pattern when it comes to push notification. So you can even go and dig further, right? You can actually go over here, go to the offer section over here. You can actually go and see what country. Definitely it's going to be Germany, so this is no point, guys. So you can actually go and see which day or which hour of the day that this particular much more conversion came. I mean, even though this campaign did not have any conversion, you can actually go hour of the day, and then you can apply, and then you can see what works. So which hour of the day there is more visits, so you can actually set it up by visits. When you press that, so you can see over here 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock, and then 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock has one of the most highest visits. So 9 o'clock, this is also somewhere around here. So other than that, it was afternoon. So when you see this kind of data, you actually know that most of the conversion came at night. So as you can see over here, this one itself is 884 clicks, and this one itself is 92. And so for you, in order for you, just let's say that you want to optimize this campaign. So what we do is we can actually launch our campaign, and we can schedule our campaign to be only on this particular time, from from what is this, 8 o'clock to 12 o'clock midnight. So this is the time that we had a lot of conversion. Yes, this is the time that we had a lot of conversion. So this is the time that we want our campaign to run. So this is how it works, guys. This is how you can actually optimize your campaign. So in volume, why we need volume is actually volume can drill down that particular report. It can actually go very further in. This is the place that you will actually know how much profit you made. This is the time, this is the place that you will actually know what happened to your campaign, which campaign was running good. Of course, the Propeller Ads itself can do this, but they can do it to a certain limit only. They cannot go as in as volume. I'm going to show you about Propeller Ads later as well. So let's go and separate it for zone ID. This is what we usually do. So let me just show you. Yep, let me just show you zone ID over here. When you apply zone ID, you will actually know which ad performed better than another one. So this one was performing a lot better than the others. This one, and this one was one of the best. So when you know the zone ID, you can actually go ahead and check in the Propeller Ads and see how you made that particular ad to be, what is the creative that you use, and then you can actually, from there you can actually go ahead another step further and start optimizing that particular creative. So let's go. I think we're complete regarding the volume. Let's go and check out in the Propeller Ads itself. So I've already logged in the Propeller Ads. I already took out the campaign over here. In the campaign section, you can actually see what is our campaign and how much it cost and everything. As you can see over here, there's even an action button. You can archive the campaign, you can stop the campaign, everything would be done from here. So as you can see over here, this particular campaign had 41,000 visits. This is clicks, this is conversion when we didn't have any conversion. So this one had 41,000 views and had a click of 203 clicks. And this one over here was like 1,773 conversion, but visits, but it only had 614 clicks. I think this one is a little bit bad, but this one you have to keep in consideration of other things as well. So this one was one of the best if you ask me. This one was not bad as well. So this one and this one was one of the best. This one was not so good, but we did spend a little bit amount of money as well. So as you can see, this part over here is the impression, or it's also called as visits. This is the clicks, this is the conversion, this is the click-through rate, and this is very very important, guys. So as you can see, when you organize it by click-through rate, when you organize it by click-through rate, the one that I said came up top, and the second one that I said as well came out at second, because the click-through rate is which is the most important part in when it's for me, guys. I feel like the click-through rate is the most important when you want to determine a campaign whether it's successful or not. When it has lower click-through rate, it means it's not successful, and for an average campaign it should have at least more than 1% of click-through rate, guys. If not, it's a very bad campaign. As you can see, this campaign over here, we only spent $8.15. This is the rate, guys, and this is the cost that we spend for each campaign. So as you can see over here, this campaign we only spent $8.15, and we achieved around 185 clicks. While this one was also good, we only spent $10 and we achieved 257 clicks. Look at this one, guys. This one, which has one of the highest volume, and this one also one of the highest volume, we spent $11, guys, and we only had 6. Oh, this is good actually, but the click-through rate is bad because there's a lot of visits. And you can also see over here, we spent around $11 and we had around 614 clicks, but the click-through rate was so low that we had no conversion even by 614 clicks. And this one was the worst, guys. We spent around $41.14 and we only had 203 clicks. So this is one part that you can actually see the propeller ads. And then another part, when you go to dashboard and then you click into dashboard, and you can separate that particular campaign that you want to see. So I've already go to the dashboard and I've separate through dates. So these are the campaigns that we was seeing just now. So most of the stuffs here we have already covered. So the total spend was $71 in volume. I think they didn't update it properly yet. So we can actually go ahead and check out the zone. So this is the zone ID. This is where the volume comes into play. So if you go to the volume, we saw this one was a good zone ID, right? And this one as well as this one. So this one, let's just take an example of this one, 2714905. I'm bad with numbers, guys. So 2794905, this one was it, right? As you can see, yes, this one was one of the best over here as well, with 53,894 impression. They have 259 clicks and a click-through rate of 0.48%. But this looks awesome as well. As you can see, this one over here, which has a click-through rate of 1.2%, 1.29%. This one was a 4,999 with 53 clicks. This was 2640173. Let's go this one. Exactly, this one was it. So this is quite good. One of the top 5 of the ad set is number 5. So this had a very good click-through rate, but we spent very little, as you can see over here. And this one we spent $5 and we got 256 clicks, which was awesome. This one was good as well. So we spent $4 plus and got 300. Look at this, we spent $30 and we only got 141 clicks. So this is a real bad stuff, guys. So this is how we separate a very good ad as well as a very bad ad. And when you want to see more further into the campaign itself, you can actually go to the campaign itself. You can actually over here also you can actually check out the date, which date actually did the most conversion, but it's not so important. So when you go to the campaign part over here, you can actually click that particular campaign. Let's click the one that was very good, guys. Let's click, I think this one was good and this one was good. This one was not bad as well. So this one was good. So let's click on this one, the one that I felt the best. So when I click on this particular offer, you can actually a lot of other drill down reports will come on, but we want to see the most important part where we want to see the creatives over here. So in the creatives you can actually see what type of image were used. As you can see, it's like this is, let me just go Google and translate this. What they say, new message, and they say it's are you lucky? So this was good. This had like 173 clicks. This one was new message and chance to win an iPhone X. So this was good as well. So this was not so good. Let's go and check out another one, guys. So we can see the pictures, what the pictures they use. So they use the similar picture, they changed this one, they changed this one, but the others was similar. The same thing, guys. So this one, like I told you again, are you lucky? New message, are you lucky? It made 174 conversion over here as well. So this one over here, it made 171 conversion as well. Are you lucky? The same one, the same image. So when we go CPM over here, let's check this one out. With this one had a lot of stuff. So this one has a lot of images, and they changed everything over here. They didn't even use the same they used the same image, but they put win iPhone X and chance to win 1 out of 100,000, try it for free. So this one, even with that, it actually made a good clicks, but they changed everything. So as you can see, when we go to the low one over here, let's go to the creatives over here, and again guys, as you can see over here, again this one with the same thing made 306 clicks, guys. So this one actually works. So this is how we can actually go ahead and check out our data, and then we know which one to optimize. Like now you know which image works better, which title works better, which description work better, and then you can actually go ahead and see which ads work better. And volume, we actually determined just now which hour in the day that you can actually put your ad and it will convert more. So these kind of details are very important in order for you to scale your campaign, in order for you to optimize your campaign, and in order for you to create a new campaign. You will know roughly on how to do. So this is very important. Analyzing your data is the most crucial part when it comes to running a CPA marketing campaign. So I think I have covered most of the part in today's video. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If I made any mistake in today's video, please forgive me. If you have any question regarding today's video.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dice University. Dice University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dice University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.